And believe it or not, I am on yet another island in the Stockholm Archipelago. This is Gällnö Badstrand on the same named island of Gällnö. And it is the only one, if not one of the few public beaches on this beautiful island that's very close to the mainland of Stockholm, which is Värmdö, and Böda Brygga, which is the closest boat stop to the mainland. It is just a 15-minute boat ride from Böda to get to this island, Gällnö, that is quite visited during the summer months, I would say. But currently I'm the only person on this beach and one of the very few that stopped here on the boat that was continuing to many other islands in the archipelago. And I already did make a swim earlier in an episode, but now I realize that it's a bit more sunny, so I said, okay, let's do one more episode and one more swim in the Baltic Sea, as I have had 3 hours in total to be on this island, and the boat back to mainland, the next one, will be here in around 40 minutes. So I have plenty of time to get back to the boat stop, which is around 2 kilometers away from here. And it was quite a nice walk to get here. Indeed, I was passing by through some fields and well, on the road, but there were fields on both ways, both sides of the road. And what was interesting is that the sign for this beach that was said bought was on many places to let the visitors to the island know where the beach is, even though it's marked also on the Google Maps at Gällnö Badstrand. It is now 3:10 p.m. and it has been mostly cloudy today, but the sun has appeared on a few occasions, so I'm really using it for the best. It is 17 degrees Celsius in the air, and I measured it is exactly the same in the sea as well. I did swim for 10 minutes earlier, so now it's gonna be a bit shorter, I would say. But this is my second island for today, as earlier today I was also in Värmdö and at the boat stop Alvsvik. That was a bigger island than this one, and there I was swimming from a jetty that was close to the boat stop as well, and I spent less time on that island, around 1.5 hours, and on this island 3 hours. It will be, actually, since I have 40 minutes left of those. And yes, the beach adventures with Kris continue with another beach on the Stockholm Archipelago. It is my very first time, not just on this island, but also on this beach, obviously. And let's see how the weather is gonna be in the following days, but I see lots of clouds, and at least the water will be still warm for a few more weeks in the sea, which is amazing. Now let's hit the waters and have a swim here in this beautiful sandy beach. Now this should be quite popular beach during the summer months, I assume, as not just the people that live here permanently on this island, but also many visitors with boats will come here, as there are also some bars and restaurants on this island as well. And there is even this nice rocky cliffs here as well to enjoy, apart from the sandy beach that you can see. And with that said, let's then hit the waters. The entry is sandy, as same as the beach, obviously, and quite nice, if you ask me. Perfect for a swim, even on a mid-September day like this. Yes, it is 15th of September, and I'm the only person on this beach on this island, Gällnö, that is called, and it looks quite nice, if you ask me. The wind is the only problem, I would say. If there is no wind, it will be a lot warmer when the sun is up, but it is what it is. It's still very awesome. And I'm so thankful and grateful that I got the opportunity to get here, because now it's low season, so the boat ride is for free if you have a public transport monthly card from Stockholm, as it actually costs to get here during the summer, but it's obviously better weather. So maybe next year I will come here also, even during the summer. So with that said, let's then have the last swim in the archipelago for today before I head back to the mainland. So ready, set, and go! Very nice. Very nice and refreshing, I would say, for sure. It's amazing how beautiful the Baltic Sea is, and especially clean here as well. So that is a wrap from Gällnö. It's time for me to enjoy a bit more in the water before I head back to the boat stop, Gällnö Brygga, on the way to Böda Brygga. That's only 15 minutes away. Thanks a lot, and I'm gonna definitely be seeing you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!